All right, it's time now for Help for the Home. Today we are taking your questions about getting a home mortgage. Brent Ivinson, president and partner of Ideal Home Loans, is here with more. Thanks so much for coming
You bet.
in. I think a lot of people are wondering, okay, since the inauguration,
Right.
have rates changed? Where are they heading?
You know, we saw rates jump up significantly right after the nomination. Now, since the inauguration, things have been pretty stable. Right now, we've got 30-year fixed rates in the low fours. So here's the thing to keep in mind. I think a lot of consumers out there have this thought process that I've missed out on rates and I've missed out on my opportunity, and that's not the case. We are still at what we would consider historic low rates. So over half, it's 57% is the exact number of current homeowners with rates today where they stand could benefit from refinancing and haven't done so yet.
That's
so
huge.
don't wait. It's more likely we'll see rates go up than we'll see them go down.
What about buying a home? Is this the time?
Absolutely. When you look at this statistic, if you're somebody who's paying $1,800 a month in rent, you could buy a $325,000 house. Now, that's a lot of house. You can get a very nice house for $325,000.
Well, and you own it.
Yeah, and you own it. That's the other thing, too. You're paying your mortgage rather than your landlord. So as you're renting all the time, all you're doing is helping them acquire equity and pay down debt. Start paying down your own debt. You don't need a lot of money for a down payment. Don't let that be a barrier.
Well, a lot of people I know have a lot of questions whether they want to refinance or buy. You have people standing by right now. This is important to note. They're going to be here all hour. Okay, you just have to call the number on your screen. They are going to be standing by all hour to answer any question you have. What would you say? You know, what can you do for current homeowners right now?
Well, here's the thing. We've had a lot of appreciation. Home values have started to go up. Put that equity to work. You can consolidate bills. You can pay off debt. You can get rid of mortgage insurance.
That's huge.
Yeah, all these things. I mean, you're looking at just in those handful of options, you're looking at saving between $500 and $1,000 or more every month. So don't wait. It really does make sense. We can show you how you can have your home loan working for you rather than you ultimately just working to make that mortgage payment every month.
Well, what's nice, too, is once you refinance, sometimes you have like an extra month. So that's nice, too.
Yeah.
You can tell people about different offers that you guys do.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of different options, you know, whether it's our custom term mortgage, whether it's, you know, taking cash out of your property, whether it's going to a shorter term loan. There's a lot of things we can do. You know, your mortgage doesn't have to just be a debt. It can be a financial tool that gets you ahead as well. It's just we need to have a sound understanding of where you're trying to go and what you're trying to do, and then we can put it to work for you.
Why do you think people aren't taking advantage of the rates?
You know, we hear a lot of things. One, they feel the cost will outweigh the benefit. They're really surprised to find that it's a handful of months and you're putting real net dollars back in your pocket. The other thing to consider, too, is that they don't want to start over. You might be somebody who's 8 years into a home loan. You can't afford to go to a 20-year mortgage, but you definitely don't want to go back out to a 30. We can put you in a custom term mortgage. Yeah, 22 years. You can keep moving forward. You can take advantage of lower interest rates and lower payments while still paying your house off as scheduled originally. So gone are the days where refinancing means hitting the reset button and starting over.
All right, you've already answered some of our questions. If you have more, everyone, there are people standing by all hour to answer your questions. All you have to do is call the number on your screen or go to idealhomeloans.com. Again, everybody, stay tuned because we will be back in the next half hour with more, but people are standing by. You can also learn more at, again, idealhomeloans.com.